Now student, please refer this link. This link consists of increment and decrement operator. Increment increment operator consists of two types, that is pre-increment, post-increment, or decrement consists of also two types, pre-decrement or post-decrement. So postfix operator means pre-increment or pre-decrement operator. What is mean by so first is the post increment operator. A post increment operator is used to increment the value of a variable after executing the expression in which the operator is used. With the post increment operator, the value of variable is first used in an expression and then incremented. So this is the syntax or example also. Int x equals to 10. Int a. Then a equals to x plus plus. The value of a will be 10 because it firstly use this variable, means it the value of x will be assigned to the value of a, then it is implemented. Okay, so the output is 10. After that, after the next statement of C in post increment operator, it consists of, it will increment it by 1. Plus plus means x plus plus means x equals to x plus 1. Okay, so next is post decrement operator. Okay, so we all know about what is post operator. Post first is, it is the increment operator, and second is the post decrement operator. Don't confuse. Okay, so post decrement operator is used to decrement the value of variable after executing the expression. Decrement the value after executing the expression in which the operator is used. With the post decrement operator, the value of the variable is first used an expression and then incremented. It is very important point for difference between and board exam also. Okay, so for the syntax is int x equals to 10, then int a, then a equals to x minus minus. So it will first use the expression, that is the value of x, that is 10, which is assigned to the variable a, then it will be incremented. So output will be 10 because it will use the expression. After that, the cout statement, x minus minus, after that cout statement, it will be incremented by 1. So the value will be 9. So the value of a will be 10 because the value of x is assigned to a and then it is incremented. So this is the next topic, prefix operator. Okay, so prefix operator consists of pre-increment operator and then pre-decrement operator. So अभी हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, प्री और पोस्ट के दो टाइप तो हमने देख लिए, जैसे कि पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट और पोस्ट डिक्रीमेंट. हमने थोड़ा कैटेगरी अलग अलग कर दी, पोस्ट और प्री को डिफरेंशिएट करके. पोस्ट के दो टाइप, पोस्ट डिक्रीमेंट और पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट. ओके, अभी प्री के दो टाइप. ओके, प्री इंक्रीमेंट एंड प्री डिक्रीमेंट. सो प्री इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर मीन्स it is directly opposite to the post increment operator. Okay, a pre increment operator is used to increment the value of a variable before using it an expression. Means expression मतलब वो expression को assign नहीं होगा, पहले वो increment करेगा, then it will be assigned. With the pre increment operator, the value of the variable is first incremented and then used in an expression. Okay, so int x equals to 10, int then int a, then a equals to plus plus x. It is also the value, it is also mean by x equals to x plus 1, but the value of x will be incremented, first incremented. It means the value of x equals to x plus 1, that is 11, then it will be assigned to the value of then it will assign the value of 11, means 11 to assign to the variable a. So the value of a will be 11 because the value of x is incremented before it is assigned to a. So this is called as pre-increment operator. Please, all these points are very important. Please note down in your copy and differentiate between them. Then pre-decrement operator. A pre-decrement operator is used to decrement the value of variable before using it an expression. Okay, before assigning a value to the expression, first it will be decrement the value just like pre-increment, but it will be decrement. Okay, with the pre-decrement operator, the value of the variable is first decremented and then used in an expression. So this is the syntax or variable or example. In x equals to 10, in a equals to minus x. Okay, so it will be first decrement, that is x minus x, it means x equals to x minus 1. Okay, so the value of x equals to 10 minus 1, that will be 9, which is firstly decrement the value and then assign to the variable a. This is the basic difference of pre-decrement or pre-decrement or pre-increment pre-increment operator. Then next we will move on. This is the example of increment, pre-increment or post increment.